Yes, yes. Try to get some breakfast.
Better accept it, she's leaving with a winner. I break her heart down, then I take her out to dinner. I get the bag, no time for small talk, gotta get it. My team on top, we ain't worried about how you feeling.
Now man comes over to me. Oh yeah, he gon' wanna spend all of his dough on me. Spend it all. I'ma let your boy come and try for me. Come try. But he gotta buy the whole bar out for me. The whole bar. He gotta get rid of these lanes for me. I'ma have your man screaming out my name for me. My name. Ooh, that's just how the game goes. If you want a real queen to come and steal the show, girl, it's me.
She ain't with you, that's a guarantee. Toss a guarantee.
Stacking cash.
Stacking all this cash. The way
Alright, welcome to Tasty Potty. We get something to eat.